Now, the other thing that we do for you is that throughout the survey process, we will provide to you an ongoing count of how many surveys have been submitted, and if you're at the district level, from what school, if you're at the state level, from what district. Same thing for the education service centers and states where that's appropriate. So we have you have an administrative password. You may very well be the contact within your school or district, but there's a special administrative password that then gives you the opportunity to see all the different counts that are coming in. At this point, you can't see the data, but you can see what schools have participated, whether the students have participated, the parents have participated, how many teachers have participated. So at the school level, this report will look like it is for your particular school. At the district level, it will look at from a district perspective. This one happens to be for a service center, and so it's looking at it from a service center perspective. We also have on our website, and this is new for the last couple of years, a really interesting map. And so if you're interested in seeing who's participating in Speak Up to a great degree, if your state is participating in Speak Up, you can go to this map that's on our tomorrow.org site, and you can see based on the colors in terms of what sort of Speak Up participation we have. So currently our leading states in terms of the number of surveys submitted actually are California and Indiana, which is very interesting. Texas always has really strong participation, so we know we'll see stronger participation there. And then you can see the varying levels, all the way down to sort of the light level where they've had some participation, but we know they're going to come in a little bit stronger. If you were to click on many of the states here within our map, it actually takes you to a state-specific website that we have within our tomorrow.org site. This one happens to be for the state of Wisconsin. And so in helping our friends in the state of Wisconsin promote Speak Up, we've created this special page within our site specifically for them, where they can also populate with some state-specific data, as well as some interesting things that may be happening around their Speak Up participation, whether they have special events or special announcements or some testimonials from folks within their states. So many of the states, we have created these state pages for them upon their request. So you might want to take a look at that from the map page as well. And then finally,